Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video, I will be showing you how to make the most delicious creamy garlic shrimp. Before get started, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more recipe. Let's get into it. This is all my ingredients. I have 1 pound of shrimp, 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper, my 3 small sweet pepper from different colors, all-purpose seasoning Goya brand, 1 chopped tomato, my vegetable oil or olive oil if you have, 1 chopped onion, I got salt, you can add as you desired, I got chopped garlic, my parsley, I add 1 cup of heavy cream, and finally my coconut milk. Let's get started. I will be adding first the vegetable oil in a hot pan and then adding the shrimp in the hot oil. And after we can add all the ingredients the same time and let it sit for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Remember guys, after adding all the ingredients, make sure you mix them up and let it cook on low heat at least 3 to 5 minutes before adding the heavy cream. And then I will cover it after adding all the ingredients, coconut milk, and my heavy cream. Let's keep watching. Finally, I am adding my heavy cream. This is 1 cup of heavy cream. Let it cook until it's completely done. There we go, guys. This is so creamy and so delicious. Oh my God. Guys, if you're gonna try it, please comment down below and let me know how was it. Thank you guys for watching and see you to another video. Bye.